Hello, dear students. I am Chandrasekhar Singh. Welcomes you in online classes on behalf of SKP Vidya Bihar. So today I am teaching the class 10 students the very first chapter. Today we are going to start, that is chemical reaction and equation. So request you to concentrate on this lecture. So new chapter, the first chapter, in case we are going to study the chemical reaction. So before understanding the chemical reaction, we should know certain thing. What is chemical change? What is chemical change? So generally we say the chemical changes are those phenomena in which one or more substances are formed. That means in a chemical change, new substance are going to form, energy changes are involved, and there is change in the mass during the reaction, and permanent change takes place. So these are the things which happens during the chemical change. For example, if you take the example of cooking food, so if you take you are cooking vegetables, so observe before cooking what is vegetables, and then you fry it. So what you are observe, once it has been converted into the fried, or you have a curry type of vegetables, when it is formed, when it is cooked, now it has got changed altogether, nothing, no similarity at all with the previous structure, physical structure or chemical structure. So now what you have observed, that something new has been formed. It is not like earlier what we are having. You take now during the cooking, what we have involved, we have heated. So that means to take place chemical changes, it needs energy. So energy is required. Energy is required. So energy changes takes place. And now the mass has been changed. Mass has been changed. Certain time vegetables get swollen up during the cooking. Certain vegetable got shrinked. So when it got swollen up, that moment their mass increases. Why their masses increases? Because during the cooking of the vegetables, you mix lot of other ingredients, oil, water, and certain kinds of other material. Like you put ginger, like you put dhania, like you put mirch powder. So certain thing you are putting it into it. So that is why it got absorbed into it and its masses changes. Now when it got shrink, its mass might decrease also. At that time what happens, when you fry it, certain vapors comes out. So whatever the juicy material is inside the vegetable, certain quantity of that juicy material comes out. So in this case what happens, that mass decreases. The last one thinks that this changes is permanent. Permanent means now it cannot be revert back to the original one. Like you have taken the potato, you have boiled it. After boiling, you cannot convert it like a original potato. In the same way, you have taken any other vegetable. Once you have cooked it, after that you cannot revert it back to their original color or original flavor. So this is called chemical change. There are examples, other examples also, rusting of iron, है ना, हिंदी में कहते हैं कि जंग लगना, हाँ, लोहा पर जंग लग जाता है, तो उसमें देखते होगे उसके ऊपर रस्ट लगता है, रस्ट, that is which is, it is new substance, the rust, and that may get peel off also. There is a brittle layer get developed over the iron materials, and this material which is developed over the iron, that is nothing but it is iron oxide, and we know that. And if you weigh that utensils, over which there is a deposition of the rust. If you wet it, you will find that weight has just got increased. Why? Because now iron got react with the water as well as oxygen. So that is how, due to the addition of water and oxygen, its weight get increases. So that what we have discussed, that there is a rise in mass. So new substances formed iron oxide. Earlier it was iron, now it is iron oxide, and this change is permanent. This change is permanent because rust, which is ferric oxide, it is iron oxide, which may get peel off, but it cannot be converted back into the iron. So that means it is a permanent change. Once it got changed, it remains so it is. There is no same property as it used to have earlier. Now in this case, what you have seen, that changes have taken place. Iron got converted into a new substance, that is iron oxide. Now you have certain other souring of milk, means दूध, घर में दूध फट जाता है, खट्टा हो जाता है. So once it get spoiled, once the milk got spoiled, you cannot make it again milk. So it's a permanent change. What happened? Earlier you have got milk, now you have got a soured milk. Even you can observe curd formation. Curd, milk got converted into curd, but curd cannot be converted into milk because it's a permanent change. Curd formation takes place by certain bacteria, but it's a permanent change. Souring of milk takes place when milk are left as it is. It was not kept in the freezer, it was not warmed at all. So in that case, what happens? It reacts with the oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, and get converted into a certain substance which spoils this milk. Now it is not a milk, it's a spoiled milk, which is called souring. This process is called souring of milk. In this also, what we have seen, new substances has formed, and it's a permanent change. What is permanent? But once changes takes place, it cannot be changed to the previous physical or chemical structure. Now the next example, we can take the ripening of fruits, means फल का पक जाना. आम पक जाता है, बेल पक जाता है. तो फिर बेल, पके हुए बेल को कच्चा बेल नहीं बना सकते हैं, पके हुए आम को कच्चा आम नहीं बना सकते हैं. जब कच्चा था तो उसके अंदर दूसरे केमिकल थे, जब वो पक गए तो उसके अंदर दूसरा केमिकल हो गया. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? इट्स अ परमानेंट चेंज. It's a permanent change. Chemical composition got changed. Whatever earlier chemical were there, now there is no such chemical right now. So it's a permanent change. This is called permanent change. And now we have understood what is chemical change. This is called chemical change. This chemical changes has got another name, chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is nothing but it's a chemical change. Now on the basis of the observation made on the basis of temperature, we can say there are two types of reaction. One is the exothermic reaction. One is the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction में क्या होता है? When there is a chemical change in certain cases, you will find there is a rise in the temperature. जैसे कि हम लकड़ी जलाते हैं तो उससे बहुत सारा हीट एनर्जी निकलता है. लकड़ी जलाते हैं तो क्या होता है? In which the carbon available in the wood reacts with the oxygen and produces lot of heat energy and light energy. So what happened? This reaction involves a release of energy. Second, there is a endothermic reaction. There is a endothermic reaction in which you will find there is a decrease in temperature. There is decrease in temperature. So like when there is a reaction between nitrogen and oxygen, the reaction between nitrogen and oxygen would not take place until and unless it has been provided with the energy. So such kind of reaction are known as endothermic reaction. लाइक अ डिसोसिएशन ऑफ मर्करी ऑक्साइड, HgO का जो ब्रेकिंग होता है, डिसोसिएशन होता है, वो मर्करी में और ऑक्सीजन में चेंज होता है, तो उसको चेंज करने के लिए हमको हीट करना पड़ता है. दैट मीन्स हियर हीट गॉट एब्जॉर्ब्ड. सो द रिएक्शन इन विच हीट गॉट एब्जॉर्ब्ड आर दोज रिएक्शंस आर नोन एज एंडोथर्मिक. And the reaction in which energy is released. So now how we understand the energy is released or absorbed? When the energy is released, then the temperature of the vessels, temperature of the container in which reactions are carried out increases. In another phenomenon, you will see the container in which we are carrying out the reaction, you will find that this container either get cooled. So that means its temperature decreases from normal level, lower than the normal level, from lower than the room temperature. And second thing, certain time until unless you heat this container, there will be no reaction. That means it requires energy. So such type of reactions are known as endothermic reaction. So students, for today's lecture, we have explained the chemical reaction. So go through with this and think, and if you have any confusion, you are free to chat me during the school hour. Thank you. And apart from this, I am supplying materials along with this video. You can go through with that and make the note of it. Thank you.